Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by installing and signing in so you can sync across devices. Once signed in, create a single list to capture everything. This reduces friction and gets you productive now. Add tasks using Add a Task and include due dates or reminders as you type. Make sure to enable sync in settings so every change propagates to your phone and PC. This first step reduces scattered notes and gives you a live inbox to triage tasks into projects. Once done with capture, organize tasks into lists and prioritize with My Day to focus on what matters now. You'll drag tasks into My Day or use Quick Add. This shapes your daily workflow. Create steps inside tasks when work requires multiple actions. That keeps progress visible and checkable. Make use of tags and color-coded lists to separate contexts like work versus personal, and set due dates or reminders so nothing slips through. This keeps your system actionable and reliable. To finish tasks efficiently, mark them complete and periodically review your completed view to confirm progress. Use sort and filter to keep lists manageable and set recurring tasks for repeat activities so you don't recreate them each week. Add notes and attachments to preserve context and decisions. If something breaks, try toggling sync, signing out and back in, or updating the app. These quick fixes restore connectivity. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.